gon' need an umbrella. Ooh, ooh, ayy. I got 2 hoes, let's get it chocolate.
It's cold call time. Let's go. You guys, pretty shit phone angle or camera angle, but I'm cold calling retail stores that we want our brand to be in. So I'm doing some cold calls. Kind of just want to record it and do, maybe I'll split it up a little bit and make a cool video out of it. So let's do this. Calling the first company right now.
Leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Bye.
Hey Sarah, this is Corey Nicholson calling. I'm founder and CEO. I just wanted to quickly reach out to see if you can point me into the right person to speak to about talking to a buyer about working with us as a retail partner. So I'm just wondering who I should speak to about potentially working together and becoming a vendor with you guys, if that's something you're interested in. I can shoot you over an email with some more high-level information about my company. If you want, you can call me back at this number and just let me know. Take care. So that was the first call. Might have to blur some of this stuff out, but that was the first call. On to the next. Okay. Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. My name is Corey Nicholson. I'm the founder and CEO. I was wondering who I could speak to about potentially any kind of buyers that you guys have that'd be interested in working with us with retail.
So we don't take any phone calls of that sort. I can give you our email address.
Yeah, for sure. What's the email?
Yeah, it's hello.
Awesome. And so there is where I'll be able to talk to a buyer?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Take care. Success. Got what I wanted. Seems like that's all I needed was an email, so I should have a script, but I don't have one yet. So it's kind of off the top of my head, so don't judge. Gotta burp. I have to burp right now.
Thanks, and have a great day.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time.
I listened to that whole fucking voicemail. Not even to leave a message, because their voicemail inbox is full. Gotta love it. So far, we're like 4 calls deep. Nothing going yet. I've already cold emailed all these companies, and I think like 3 responded. So the other, whatever amount that is, haven't responded at all. And follow up via email can only be, I hate getting followed up like a million times, which we can do. But let's try calling these people. I hope this turns into a cool YouTube video, because right now it's pretty lame. I bet you that I'm gonna get a reply. Someone's gonna answer this call.
Thank you for calling. We're currently unavailable. Please call back during our opening hours, Tuesday, Thursday, and...
So I was wrong. I guess they're not open or something. So I guess I lost that bet. I won't end this video until I find at least one cool one. Like this, I wanna find one cool one. So you don't need education to close deals in my opinion. If you're a smooth talker and you understand human persuasion and psychology and took a few sales courses like the Jordan Belford's straight line sales course, you're already ahead of most people. Same with financial education. Now this is really off topic, but even if you just read a couple financial books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, you are already ahead of most people, which is really scary. And that's obviously my opinion. Could be totally wrong, but from what I've seen in this world where I live out in Toronto, and just a few friends I have and older people that I associate myself with in my family, whatnot, just by reading a couple of these books, I was already way ahead of them. And so that's scary. But anyways, let's continue.
We are open Wednesday through Sunday and are currently averaging a response time of 2 business days. Please.
Originally, I thought that I was just gonna film this and show this footage to Anthony, but I thought, why not turn it into a YouTube video? So that's what I'm doing now, guys. Hopefully the quality comes out nicely. I'm using my old mic, but let's see.
Good afternoon.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. My name is Corey Nicholson. I'm the founder and CEO. I just wanted to quickly reach out to you on this wonderful Wednesday evening and just ask if there's anyone I can speak to about a buyer who would be interested in talking about a retail kind of collaboration.
We don't do.
Got it. Is that a permanent kind of decision? Have you guys ever been open to it?
In fact, we got whatever we had, we got rid of because we just didn't sell it. It's gone.
I see.
we're not going to do it. But good luck to you.
Yeah, no, I understand how that can be a problem. If something's not selling, it's not selling. I was just wondering if there's a chance to present the numbers and the kind of the opportunity.
Nope, it's something we're not interested in doing. But thanks.
No worries, no, I totally understand. Thanks so much. Wow, so I gotta brush up because one thing that I'm not mentioning that I should be mentioning is that one of our retail partners in our niche is one of the biggest companies in the world in that niche. So I don't want to get too specific, but like we only have one retail partner right now and they are $1 billion company. No cap, we work with $1 billion company. We're calling a lot of smaller companies right now in that niche. So maybe I should mention that. That girl literally shut me down. She said, no, we do not do that. No thanks. And that's just BS because yeah, I gotta put together a script for this. Maybe I'll do a part 2 of these videos and have a whole script ready to go so I can actually close some real deals. But let's see if I can keep going off the top of my head because we're getting some traction here, okay? Hopefully this video doesn't come out to be too long because none of you guys have an attention span. That was hilarious though. I kinda wanna call back, but I'm not going to.
Thank you for calling. Tori, how may I help you?
Hey Tori, how are you?
I'm good. How may I help you?
Great. I'm just wondering if you could put me into contact with someone who's a buyer at your company. My name is Corey Nicholson. I'm the founder. And I'm just wondering if there's anyone I can talk to who's a buyer who manages like the retail side of things for you guys.
That'd be me.
Awesome. That's,
Yeah, I got your emails. I just have 1,000 things I'm doing all the time. Not really sure what you're looking for from us.
Yeah, that's totally fine. If you had questions, you can ask now while I'm here. Basically, we already work with a few really big people in this space. And so we're just looking to add more and more retailers to our profile and just become vendors with more people like you guys because you guys run a great company. And so I'm just wondering how that process looks if you've ever done it before.
Pretty much, we just are a newer company. We've only been around since 2019. End of 2019 is when we opened. So, do you guys do, you have like wholesale prices and then, whatever and yada yada? Like, I haven't seen the product. I don't buy things sight unseen kind of stuff. I usually like to make sure I can touch and feel, and this whole pandemic has killed me with having to buy things online.
I know, no, it must be terrible. We can ship you out some samples. That's a similar process to what we follow. They've only adopted that one product from us. We'd be looking to do the same thing with you. If you want to open the website, it'd be helpful. And so direct to consumer, we've already sold over 10,000 of these, and we can offer you wholesale kind of prices, and we can maybe jump on a more formal call if you have more time, because I understand you're busy.
Yeah. I don't know. Where are you guys located? Where are you guys out of?
And we can always start with like a test quantity. You can try it out with a few of your clients that you trust the most, with yourself and everything. And then if all goes well, there's always like that whole repurchase option.
Right. I'm not saying no. It could be something that's beneficial, especially for,
And I'm not sure if we mentioned, but we only started back in October of 2020. And we've already grown quite fast across TikTok and Instagram, and so we can discuss things as well. Maybe like doing like some kind of content partnership. Or
I don't know. They're just kind of coming up with ideas.
I know, and that's I understand. I understand. So let's do this. I'll follow up via email. We can go back and forth a little bit. I'd love to send you a few samples. Once you get those, as long as you approve and everything, and you think it's okay, we can take it from there and potentially become. Have that whole test quantity, and we can see how that sells.
Yeah, that sounds good. That's a good start. That's a good way to go.
Cool. So what's the best email? Which one do you think I should reach you? Is it info@? Yeah, for sure. So I'll be in touch very soon, and hopefully we can work something out.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Take care. A lot of that stuff might be blurred out. That went pretty good though. I'll probably have most parts in there, but I pretty much have my first warm lead now. They are open to the idea of promoting our products on their store to their customers, etc. The hugest angle by far is how we work with $1 billion company. So I'm gonna do one more for the boys. I think that one was a pretty good one. I think that's probably the highlight of this video. Hopefully a lot of it can stay unblurred or unmuted because I want you guys to understand how I'm kind of looping them in. Like the most important thing there was like I said, okay, let's do this. That's like one of the best transitions. Like you can say, okay, so let's do this. Okay, so do this, try it, come back, etc. But it almost works for anything I've wanted in life. Like it's insane. So let's do one more. By the way, I always forget to do this in my usual YouTube videos, but please, if you're still sticking around and you're having fun, you're watching this, you're laughing, you're seeing some 20-year-old close some deals, drop a thumbs up on this video. We are so thankful to have 1K subscribers and growing every single day. And of course, our Discord server is also free to join and that's growing. And so we're just so thankful. Hopefully a lot of these videos are providing you tons of value that you can then apply. A lot of the stuff will not be copy and paste because that's just not how entrepreneurship works. You can't just copy one's actions and expect the same outcomes. But I hope you're getting value. Drop that thumbs up or down. I don't even care at this point. Drop it. Right now, guys, it's one of the most important things. I'm just blabbing on here, but one of the most important things always, you know, you gotta have fun, like what you do, to a crazy extent, or else you just won't work. And this is becoming more of a pep talk now. But like, if you don't, like a lot of people are for the whole automation thing, but like they don't understand like. You can't automate something that doesn't even have traction. And so people are trying to outsource stuff and get all cute and fancy. You gotta have traction first and then outsource to somebody.
Thank you for calling. Can I help you?
Hey, how are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic, thanks. Really quick, my name's Corey Nicholson. I'm the founder and CEO. Reach out to see who I can speak to about talking about retail buying and who handles that at your company.
Okay, that's going to be... I'm not able to transfer you over to her line. I can give you her extension though.
Okay, cool. Her extension or just an email is perfect.
Her email is...
Awesome. And if you give me her extension, like, do I just call back and enter it?
Yep, it's 4362.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good
All right,
day.
take care.
Hi, this is Dorothy. I'm either away from my desk or another call. Leave your name, number, and I'll be back as soon as I can. Thank you and have a great day.
Hey there, this is Corey. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here, guys. Hopefully it was kind of fun and insightful to look at and just see how I was cold calling. Maybe I'll do a part 2. If you want to see that, drop a thumbs up, subscribe. That's pretty much everything for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.